Okay guys, we're gonna go through some of the words and phrases that I heard on the listening or that I've seen on the videos that you're doing, not so correct. Okay, so I just have to go through again. And it's one thing that very common. It's okay when you mention few things, so the dog or the cat or whatever, any animal, it's got, I don't know, 4 feet, comma, 2 ears, and, okay, and for the last, and 1 tail. Okay. Here, when you are in the negative, when you're saying that it hasn't, it hasn't got, would be it hasn't got one thing, comma, another thing, or the last thing, okay? It hasn't got feathers, comma, legs, or hands, okay? Or positive and negative, or, okay? That's important because this one many of you don't mention, don't say, or don't write. And then the verb eat, yes, eat, it's a fly. And so in plural it will be they eat, and in singular will be it eats, it eats, okay, it eats. And also I heard a few mistakes, so it eats seeds, yeah, seeds, it eats seeds, plants, insects, whatever, no? Seeds, it eats seeds. That's also a common mistake. And then they live, not life. Life, you live your life, okay? They live in the ocean, they live in the jungle, they live in the whatever, they live in the forest, yes, in the jungle, yes, they live in, okay? And then some animals, they're not so easy, or also I've noticed that you've been having some trouble, is tortoise or tortoises in plural, turtle or turtles, yes, tortoises, turtles, crocodile, yes, crocodile, so tortoise, turtle, crocodile. And the type of animals, reptile, yes, reptile, mammals with double M, mammals, insects, yes, insects, blah 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 blah, reptile, yes, I think that's it.